a client, the first thing I noticed about Mongoop U-Gel Overlay is how natural my nails look and feel. They're lightweight, comfortable, and never feel thick or bulky. Honestly, they look just like my real nails, just stronger and prettier. What really surprised me is how U-Gel actually helps protect my natural nails. Instead of making them weak over time, it adds strength and keeps them from breaking. Plus, my nails stay on for 3 to 5 weeks easily with no lifting. When I'm on vacation, I won't have to look around for salons to fix my nails. If you want nails that look real, feel light, and stay beautiful, ask your nail tech for Mongoop U-Gel Overlay. You'll feel the difference.